All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for a BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, we know how big the metaverse is. Everybody's trying to get into it. So we're going to talk about today the 7 best metaverse stocks to get into in 2022. Now, this is by U.S. News. We're going to kind of go through it, talk about all 7 of them. Some of them I like, some of them I think that's pretty good too. Then we're also going to go to Crypto Bubbles. Going to go over there, check that out for a little bit, and then we're going to come back to the 7 best metaverse stocks to get into. Maybe pick our top 1 or 2. So, all right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. So this one, Metaverse is so big, you're hearing about it, properties, this and that. So these are the 7 best stocks to get into that are Metaverse stocks. So let's head on over. All right, here at US News, the 7 best Metaverse stocks to buy. So it says the latest trend in tech is in the Metaverse. When Facebook announced the corporate name change to Meta Platforms, ticker FB, in October of 2021, many investors began to anticipate just how the transformation of the metaverse could be. The metaverse concept is a building intricate virtual online environment which people live, work, and play. Real-life matrix may seem science fiction, but an idea are self-driving cars. Smartphones and even the internet itself were all science fiction concepts at one point. The global metaverse market could grow to $800 billion, and that's with the B, everybody, by the mid-2020s, according to Bank of America. Here are the 7 metaverse stocks to buy. Well, number 1, you wouldn't be surprised, Meta Platform, formerly Facebook. So the number 1 is Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg is so committed to shifting the company's priority to the metaverse that he changed the name of the company. Zuckerberg announced an initial $10 billion, again with the B, investment in the metaverse deployment. And Meta recently received many patents receiving technology that uses metaverse user biometrics data to help generate what we see and perceive in the virtual world. Meta and Horizon Virtual Reality subsidiaries will also like to play a large role in the metaverse push. The company plans to monetize the metaverse via virtual commerce and advertising revenue streams. All right, everybody. Number 1 used to be formerly Facebook. It's called Meta Platforms. That's the number 1 stock they're saying. Now, write all these 7 down and then analyze them. Check them out. Research them. Look at what you do. But number 1 is Meta Platform. Number 2 is Unity Software Incorporated. Unity Software owns one of the 2 main 3D video game engines, which allows the designers to custom how video game players move and interact with the games. The company's non-gaming business serves as the industry, agriculture, animation, and engineering and design as well. In November, Unity acquired parts of the Weta Digital, the visual effects studio that helped create the Lord of the Rings movie. Holy cow. This is the number 2. What we want to try to do is to have the average 14-year-old to be able to do what Peter Jackson did in creating Gollum and putting the characters in the metaverse. Unity CEO John said it was a great deal. So number 2, Unity Software. So again, maybe you've heard of this, maybe you haven't. All right, number 3, Rob Lowe Corporation. Rob Lowe is an online entertainment platform that allows users to develop games to functionality metaverse today. Rob Lowe is an essential video game that has about 50 million daily active users in its own digital currency. It ranges from unique virtual experience. Roughly half its users are under the age of 13, placing the company in a good position for the future. Our whole company is really focused on the innovation to drive and shepherd the vision of what some people call the metaverse or human co-experience. All right, so there's your number 3. Maybe you've heard of some of these, maybe you haven't. Number 4 is Autodesk Incorporated. Autodesk makes software used to design building and goods. Engineering and architects use companies' building information model programs to create virtual models of structures. The Autodesk rendering can transfer the model into a virtual reality setting. About 70% of Autodesk business comes from design software for architect, engineer, and construction. Autodesk has a suite of products designed especially for building virtual reality and reality 3D animation, building the perfect fit for the metaverse construction. In the third quarter, Autodesk total billing increased 16%, and the revenue grew 22% to $511 million. All right, so these are some stocks that are definitely tied to the metaverse, so you want to write these down. We're going to go ahead and check over at the crystal bubble. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Crystal bubbles, I think this may be a favorite thing you start using. All right, over here, crypto bubbles. We're going to go to the top 100, and the top 100 are bouncing around. So if we were looking at this, it's like, oh, T-Fuel, it's up 36%. So take a look at that. In the last week, it's up 36%. You may not be able to see this because my picture's right there, but in the last year, it's up 402%. If I wanted to make it a favorite, I would click it. 36%. Flow, what's going on with Flow? You click it. Wow, look at that. Flow's up 33% in the last week. Still down for the day, down for the hour, down for the month, and down for the year, but it is up for the last week. So you can kind of check things out and stuff. Solana, you click check out Solana. It's up for the week. It's up 1,500% for the year. Wow, 1,500%. The key thing with this is quickly, let's say you had a token in the top 600. You may never go to 600. QSP plus 185, so you click it. Wow, look at this. It's up 44% for the year, 61% for the month, 185 for the week. So a lot of good stuff here. Maybe I wanted to put this in my favorites. I could throw it in my favorites. So now when I come up here and I go to my favorites, there's my got Solana, Crow, Shiba, and look, I just added the QSP in there, and because it's got this big increase, look how big the bubble is. Uniswap's right there. Also, you can drop it down. You got Binance. You can check Binance coins. All the Binance coins. You can go KuCoins. You want to check KuCoins that are on there. It's got FTX, Coinbase, and Gate.io. Here's the Gate.io. So, I mean, like you click something right here. Like, oh, Fuse Network. It's traded at 75 cents. Look, it's down 12% in the last week. So just wanted to share that with your crypto bubbles. It's a nice little platform. You're probably going to want to use it, create your favorites. I like when you can go to coins in the 700s and 800s and 900s that you probably never do. You just click it down and boom, there they are bouncing around, and you can kind of see how much the percentage is. All right, let's go back over to these top 7. All right, number 5 is Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft may be early leader in professional metaverse. The Microsoft Enterprise Metaverse aims to integrate the Internet of Things, the digital twins, mixed reality helps Microsoft grow its professional software market dominance. The company also made an aggressive move into the social metaverse space on January 18th when it announced a pending deal to acquire video game giant Activis ATVI for $69 billion. Oh gosh, that's good. They have a deal with Microsoft would instantly have 400 million monthly activity gamers, some who already spend money in the digital world. The company's growing cloud business also gives its major metaverse network scale advantage. So you got Microsoft right there. All right, number 6, NVIDIA Corporation, a lot of graphics cards. NVIDIA produces the graphics and video processing chips used in high-end computer servers, supercomputers, and the artificial intelligence. The VR applications. The metaverse will certainly require a massive amount of processing power. NVIDIA chips will likely play a crucial role. In November, NVIDIA CEO told the CNBC that the metaverse can save money and resources by simulating factories, plants, power grids, and other infrastructure products before they construct in the real world. By doing so, we can decrease the amount of waste, and for that reason, with economics are so good for the company. All right, NVIDIA is at number 6. And number 7, Qualcomm. At the 2022 Consumer Electric Show, chip maker Qualcomm announced a new collaboration with Microsoft to develop technology to expand customers and enterprise adoption. On the company's third quarter earnings call in November, CEO semiconductor products will dominate the next generation of Internet of Things and the metaverse. Already powered a number of cutting-edge virtual reality devices, such as the Meta platform, headset. If you're going to spend time in the metaverse, Snapdragon is going to be your ticket. All right, Qualcomm is right there at number 7. All right, here's your top 7, everybody. So write these down, check them out. You probably thought of Facebook or Meta. You probably thought of Microsoft. maybe even thought of Nvidia chips. But all these companies right here, Autodesk, Qualcomm, Unity Software, these are the 7 stocks you should invest in, they're saying, for the metaverse. It says the 7 best metaverse stocks to buy. The metaverse stocks could be a huge investing opportunity. All right, everybody, so I wanted to bring that to you. These are stocks that are connected to the metaverse that could be big. Some people don't like to buy the cryptocurrency, or they're trying to figure out things that are in cryptocurrency. Metaverse is going to be gigantic. These 7 different stocks that we just listed, probably going to be a pretty good play. You may want to put them on your radar. All right, don't forget to hit that like button. Click right here to see our most recent video. We'll see you a little bit later on tomorrow. And hey, everybody, let's have a fantastic night.